Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to download CapCut in laptop. So let's begin. First, to make sure that you are connected with the internet, and once connected with the internet, you need to open your any internet browser, and here you need to search CapCut for PC. After that, you need to go to this website up to down and click on this link, and after that you need to click on get the latest variants, then click on download, and in few seconds the downloading will start, and after that we will install it on our system. And in this way you can also download and install CapCut on your system. And I hope this video was helpful for you. If so, please like the video and subscribe to our channel.